Hi everyone, this is your Santosh. Welcome back to SQA Maths YouTube channel. So far we discussed various parts of the number series. Next number series is part 6 to find the wrong term. So this session plays very important here. So far we discussed various patterns, various series, formulas, etc. for the given patterns. Okay. So now to find the wrong term. So here some terms are listed below here. From that we have to pick up the wrong term, whether it is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, or whatever it may be. Or is it 84 is wrong, or 83 is wrong, is 79 is wrong, etc. So a series is given in which one of them is required to detect the pattern of series and find the wrong term. First, in order to pick up the wrong term, we should be able to know the property of the series. Okay, then only we can go for the wrong term of the series. So now let us go through our problem. So here solution 84, let us write again 83 and next 79, 70, 52 and 29. Let us go through how we got here. Consider 84. 84 minus 1 square is 1 square is 1, 84 minus 1 is 83. So we got 84 the first term minus 1 square is 83 second term. Again consider the second term. With the first term deducted minus 1 square we got the second term. So 83 minus 2 square. Okay, 83 minus 2 square is 4, it is 79. So we got our third term using the second term. So 1 square deducted, 2 square is deducted. In this pattern, since we got first, second and third term using the preceding terms, okay, proceeding in this way, now 79 minus, I should go through 1 square, 2 square and here it is 3 square. Okay, so 79 minus 9 is nothing but our 70. So we got our 70. Yes. Generalizing here, similarly 70 minus 4 square. 4 square is 16. 70 minus 16 is nothing but 54. Okay, so 84, next 83, next 79, next 70, next 52. But here we got our 54. Okay. So, meanwhile we are continuing here. So, 84 minus 1 square is 83, 83 minus 2 square is 79, 79 minus 3 square is 70. Next, 70 minus 4 square is 54, but here our number is 52. Okay, so hence the wrong term of the given series is nothing but our 52. So in this way, first of all, you have to pick up with the pattern, which pattern is going on, whether it may be plus 1 square or minus 1 cube or divided by 2 or multiply with 3 square, etc. So I got the idea, so I continued. In this way, the wrong term of the series is 52, hence the correct term of the given series is 54. So with this knowledge, go through this problem. The answer is 10, the missing term. So 4, 5, 10, 18, 34, 59 and 95. In this pick up the wrong term, the answer is 10. So try it yourself after going through that. Now the next one, to find the missing series based on the given series. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, so far we gone through the problems of missing term or wrong term or what is the next term and what is the place what is required in the place of question mark, etc. But here to find a missing series itself, a series has been missed. So we are going to discuss the tremendous, nothing but the different problem here, the missing series, not the missing term or wrong term. So there are two number series. So two number series will be given. First one is arranged in a particular way. Out of the two number series, first one is 49, 100, 153, 208, 265 and 324 arranged in a particular way. It may be addition or subtraction, multiplication or division or some pattern. And second series is based on the first series. Find the unknowns A, B, C, D, E. If you observe carefully here, first series is given 49, 100, 153, 208 and 265 and 324. That is the first series. Using this first series and the first term of the second series, you have to determine the unknowns A, B, C, D, E. So, if you observe carefully here, the solution follows. So, let us write some for here to get the better idea of this series. Okay. Now, if you observe very carefully, there is no need of confusion. Let us go for trial and error method, just like 49, suppose into 2 is 98, but here we have 100. Okay, some 49 into 3, you are not going to get the required third term, etc. Okay, so into 3 is not possible. Suppose if you go for division, 100% it is not possible. Or let us collect our previous series, what we discussed. So those who did not watch it, part 1, 2, 3 and 4, go through it. Then you will get the ideas. N square, n cube and n square minus n, etc. Next, go for different thinking here. If you observe carefully, 49 and 100, the difference is nothing but 51. Okay, so 49 plus 51 is nothing but our 100. Next, 100 plus, here the difference between these two is nothing but 53. So 100 plus 53 is 153. Again, so let us write the pattern now here. How we got? Since we got the first two terms, let us check the same pattern it is going to happen for the remaining terms or not. So here the difference between 49 and 100 is nothing but 51. Nothing but I can say that 49 plus 51 is 100. Next, 100 plus 53 is 153. 51 and next to 53, they are odd numbers. Again, let us go for plus 55. So 153 plus 55, you should get 208. Obviously, you will get. Next, here plus 57, nothing but 208 plus 57 will gives you automatically 265. In the same way again, plus 59, no need to check. If you check also, you are going to get the last term 324 in such a way that 265 plus 59 gives you 324. So, with the various U-turns or Y-turns, whatever it may be, we got some pattern here. Okay. So, our condition is satisfied for the given first series. Okay. Now, second series is given 16. Next A, next B, next C, next D, next E. These are the various parameters or unknowns we have to determine. Nothing but just 64 plus 51. Okay, nothing but here 67, our A value. Why we are adding 51? Because 49 plus 51 gives you second term 100. Okay, so once again 16 plus 51, nothing but here 67. So for 67, what we should add? Plus 53. 0, 1, here it is nothing but our 120. Okay, so first term here, the first one unknown is nothing but A. Here we got our 67. Since to get the third term, we should add subsequently nothing but the next odd number 51 afterwards, it is 53, nothing but here it is B. Next, continuing here 120 plus 51 plus 53, here nothing but here it is 55, gives you 5 and 7 1. So 175, nothing but our C. Okay. Next here our 175 of the prime occurring after 55, nothing but our 57. So what we are going to get? 232, nothing but our D value. Next 232 plus 59, because previously we gone through the addition of 57 with the previous term. Now adding, what we are going to get? 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 9, here 291, nothing but our E. So find the unknowns A, B, C, D, E that occurs in the which series? Second series. Okay. So first series is 49, 100, 153, 208, 265 and 324. Using the principle or the pattern with the first series. Okay. This is our first series. Total terms we got by subsequent addition of odd numbers 51, next result for that 53, 55, 57, 59, like that we got the remaining terms with the first term idea. In the same way, to get the unknowns A, B, C, D, E using the first series with the first term of the second series, adding subsequently we got our A, B, C, D, E values. Therefore, A is equal to our 67, B is equal to 120 and C is equal to 175. Next, here case we got 232 D value and E value is 291. Okay. So, I hope so you got very much interesting problems today to find the missing series based on the given series. Missing series itself, not the missing term. So using the information of the first series, we got the second series and nothing but the unknowns A, B, C, D, E. So finally, please go through the video. Number series part 6 to find the wrong term here. Next, to find the missing series. This plays very important role again for the various standards of the students, for 6th, 7th, 8th students to get various logical thinking, and at the same time for the competitive level examinations under the quantity aptitude for the aspirants of NTSC math students, those are going to write in the future coming days, SSC, RRB and IBPS. You can have a look. So please viewers, after watching the video, those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. At the same time, like the concepts, comment, and must and should please share the total video to your friends for the better knowledge and idea everything. Thank you.